Lexus has unveiled a unique and extravagant creation, the GX Monogram Concept, which brilliantly merges luxury, utility, and outdoor adventure. This one-of-a-kind concept vehicle transforms the traditional SUV into a mobile gourmet experience, featuring a built-in pizza oven and a sophisticated wine bar. The Lexus GX Monogram Concept redefines the boundaries of what an SUV can be, making it the ultimate companion for culinary enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers alike. The Lexus GX Monogram Concept stands out with its innovative integration of a pizza oven and wine bar, bringing a gourmet kitchen to the great outdoors. The concept is designed to cater to those who seek a blend of culinary delight and outdoor escapades. Offering an unparalleled experience in luxury and functionality, central to the GX Monogram's unique appeal is the built-in pizza oven, a feature that transforms camping or tailgating into a gourmet adventure. The pizza oven is seamlessly integrated into the rear cargo area, allowing for easy access and operation. This innovative addition means that drivers and passengers can enjoy freshly baked pizza wherever their journey takes them, combining the joy of outdoor cooking with the convenience of modern technology. Complementing the pizza oven is a sophisticated wine bar, designed to enhance the culinary experience with a touch of elegance. The wine bar includes a chilled compartment to keep beverages at the perfect temperature, as well as a sleek serving area. This feature ensures that travelers can enjoy a fine glass of wine in the middle of nature, creating memorable moments with friends and family. Beyond its culinary innovations, the Lexus GX Monogram Concept showcases a stunning design that blends rugged capability with luxurious refinement. The exterior of the concept vehicle is characterized by bold lines and a commanding presence, reflecting its ability to tackle both urban environments and off-road trails with ease. Inside, the GX Monogram exudes opulence with high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship. The cabin is designed to provide maximum comfort and convenience, featuring plush seating, advanced infotainment systems, and a host of modern amenities. The integration of the pizza oven and wine bar does not compromise the vehicle's interior space, as Lexus has cleverly utilized the cargo area to house these features while maintaining ample room for passengers and luggage. The Lexus GX Monogram Concept is equipped with the latest technological advancements, ensuring a safe, connected, and enjoyable driving experience. Key features include a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large touchscreen interface, smartphone integration, and premium audio. For safety systems, a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. For connectivity, multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and Wi-Fi connectivity to keep passengers entertained and connected on the go. The Lexus GX Monogram Concept is more than just a vehicle, it is a vision for the future of luxury SUVs. By integrating unique features like a pizza oven and wine bar, Lexus is exploring new ways to enhance the driving experience and cater to the evolving lifestyles of its customers. This concept vehicle embodies the brand's commitment to innovation, luxury, and adventure. The Lexus GX Monogram Concept represents a bold and imaginative approach to the luxury SUV market. With its built-in pizza oven and wine bar, it offers an unmatched blend of culinary enjoyment and outdoor adventure. This concept vehicle showcases Lexus's ability to push the boundaries of automotive design and create unique experiences for its customers. As Lexus continues to innovate and explore new frontiers, the GX Monogram Concept stands as a testament to the brand's vision for the future of luxury and adventure on the road.